Hello everybody, this is Emily with Hello Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you have never been here before, welcome. If you have, you my BFF now. Today is gonna be really exciting because I am reviewing the Maybelline Hyper Easy liner, and we are gonna see just how hyper easy it really is. Well, we can't do any eyeliner with this in the way. What's up? Word to your mother. This item retails for about $8 to $10. You can buy it at Walmart, Walgreens, Ulta, any of the sorts. So if I like it, you guys should go and buy it. So let's go ahead and try this out and see if it's actually hyper easy smooth. It says right here, smooth, even lines, resist skips and gaps. So we will see if it's telling the truth. Hexagonal, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagonal shaped eyeliner. Well, babes, I think this eyeliner speaks for itself. I think I found my go-to eyeliner. This is amazing. I love it. It is only $8 to $10 and it is definitely worth the price. It is high rated like it says online. I definitely give it a 5-star. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's great. It works great. It works amazing. Great job, Maybelline. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and then also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you know why? Because it's free and people like free things in this world. Also, turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you know, and you'll never miss another one. So guys, stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in my next one.